Welcome to this presentation. This is a small tips for the parents having special children. Listen to the slides carefully to know the mind of your child and help them in the stressful lockdown period. Avoid your child watching TV and mobile. As we know, a child with autism or ADHD is interested more in sticking to objects very sensitive to their eyes, which causes an attachment to the objects rather than the attachment with the people. I would like to suggest you with an alternative for the TV and mobile practices of your child. You can make picture albums like fruits, objects, sports, eating habits, and much more of what you know that your child would be more interested, but very sensitive to their eyes. You can make separate picture books or albums colorfully and bright. Make use of your child's smallest effort while preparing the books to make the child feel happy of the outcome of his efforts. Please take time to sit with a child and show him how you use your fingers to turn pages of the book. Hold your child's finger and do this for at least 3 times. Daily make this as a routine and introduce each category of books. This improves your child's eye and hand coordination. Save them from mobile and TV addictions. Make them do to have a routine of their activities or share your jobs with them. Give one instruction for one job. Split the jobs you want them to do and make them to do the job step by step. For example, take a tumbler from the table is one job. Split the job first. Make him go near the table. If the child knows to identify the table, well and good. You can give him 2 instructions together. How to come out of the lockdown stress? You may know what's all about lockdown and corona, but you cannot expect your child to be locked down because it's a lockdown period. You get tired or tensed when your child doesn't do what you expect him to do. For example, washing hands or wearing a mask in this period and so on. You tend to scold or put your pressure on the child to wash hands, wear a mask and so on. This develops a dislike in the child to do what you expect him to do. To make the child do this, here is a small tip. Encourage the child with something the child loves to do or the child loves to eat. You can say, I will give you this if you do this. Or you can also say, I will not give you this if you don't do this. When you do this, the child will either have a negative response or sometimes it will have a positive response. But one thing I want to tell you is, don't scold or put your pressure on the child because the child will never understand of what is going around him. You can only give small instructions to the child. You can do this first and show him, and then you can ask him to do. And when you encourage him by giving some rewards, by telling him that I'll give you this, whatever you like, whatever the child likes, if you say that you will give him, or if you say if he doesn't do, if he's not doing it, if you say that I will not give you, then he may also know that just to get the reward he may do that. So these are some small encouragement tips that you can follow in this lockdown period to make your child to come out of this lockdown stress. First, demonstrate in front of the eyes of the child what you expect them to do, because imitation is the biggest skill that a special child has. So be calm, practice this with your child and take care. Thank you.